Welcome to this video on the TEXTJOIN function in Excel. TEXTJOIN is the best way to combine text strings. In this video, we will learn how to join text with a delimiter using TEXTJOIN. What exactly is TEXTJOIN? TEXTJOIN is a powerful Excel function that combines multiple text strings into one string, using a delimiter of your choice. A key feature of TEXTJOIN is its ability to ignore empty cells automatically. Let's take a look at the syntax of the TEXTJOIN function. The syntax is as follows: equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, delimiter, ignore empty, text1, text2, and so on, close parenthesis. The delimiter is the text you want to use to separate each value, such as a comma or a space. Ignore empty is a logical value, where true skips empty cells and false includes them. Text1, text2, and so on are the text strings or cell ranges you want to combine. Let's go through a basic example to illustrate how the TEXTJOIN function works. Here we have an Excel table with 3 columns, A, B, and C. The corresponding values are apple, banana, and cherry. To combine these text strings using TEXTJOIN, we can use the formula equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, comma, space, double quote, true, A1 colon C1, close parenthesis. The result would be apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. One of the most useful features of TEXTJOIN is its ability to ignore empty cells. Let's compare what happens when we set the ignore empty argument to true versus false. In both tables, we have columns A, B, C, and D. Columns B and D are empty. When ignore empty equals true, the formula is equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, comma, space, double quote, true, A1 colon D1, close parenthesis. The result is apple, comma, cherry. When ignore empty equals false, the formula is equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, comma, space, double quote, false, A1 colon D1, close parenthesis. The result is apple, comma, comma, cherry, comma. TEXTJOIN can be used with any delimiter. Let's look at a few examples. Given the data apple, banana, and cherry, if we use the formula equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, comma, space, double quote, true, A1 colon C1, close parenthesis, we get apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. If we use the formula equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, space, pipe, space, double quote, true, A1 colon C1, close parenthesis, we get apple, space, pipe, space, banana, space, pipe, space, cherry. For line breaks, if we use the formula equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, char 10, true, A1 colon C1, close parenthesis, we get apple, line break, banana, line break, cherry. Finally, for no separator, if we use the formula equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, true, A1 colon C1, close parenthesis, we get apple, banana, cherry. Let's explore some practical use cases for TEXTJOIN. First practical use case is email lists. TEXTJOIN can be used to create comma-separated email lists from a column of addresses, using the formula equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, semicolon, space, double quote, true, A2 colon A10, close parenthesis. Second use case is product tags. TEXTJOIN can be used to combine multiple product categories into a single tag string, using the formula equals TEXTJOIN, open parenthesis, double quote, space, pipe, space, double quote, true, B2 colon E2, close parenthesis. Here are the key takeaways from this video. TEXTJOIN is the best way to combine text with delimiters. Use true to automatically skip empty cells. TEXTJOIN works with any delimiter, such as commas, spaces, pipes, or line breaks. With these features, TEXTJOIN is perfect for creating lists, combining data, and building dynamic text strings. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.